My husband and I are clean freaks, and with 3 kids, keeping a clean house can be a challenge. That's why I'm excited to try new smart vacuums from Tineco. They clean up both dry and wet messes, so let's see if they are up for the challenge in this house. The design of the brush head in Tineco's One S12 Extreme allows for streak-free cleaning along baseboards, and it makes it easy for those hard-to-reach corners. The iLoop smart sensor technology is proprietary. It detects wet and dry dirt, debris, and other messes. The suction power, roller speed, and water flow automatically adjust to your mess, and there's no more switching settings to adjust cleaning power. The dual tank system keeps clean and dirty water separate for continuous cleaning with fresh water and deodorizing solution. With traditional mops, you're really just pushing around dirty water. The 3 modes are auto mode for basic cleaning, max mode for tough messes, and suction mode to vacuum liquids and other wet messes, and that one only comes with One S12 Extreme. The floor dries quickly and streak-free. My daughter and I both have long hair, so when I'm getting ready and I'm getting her ready for school, a lot of hair falls on the ground. So it's a good thing I have my One S12 Dual. The smart iLoop LCD display tells me if the brush roller's tangled with hair or if another feature is malfunctioning, such as if the air channel is blocked or if the dust sensor isn't working properly. The screen also shows me the battery level and Wi-Fi signal strength, and I can use the touch screen to control the suction strength and switch the cleaning mode between manual and automatic. When set to auto, the One S12 Dual detects hidden dirt and it adjusts its suction power to suck it up. One of iLoop's niftiest features is it has a ring that changes from red to blue to notify me that my floor is clean. My family has a lot of allergies, so I was excited to learn that the One S12 Dual has a 4-stage HEPA filtration system that captures and blocks tiny dust particles and hair to make our air cleaner and fresher. It also gives us peace of mind knowing that our family is living in a healthy environment. As you've seen, my house has different types of surfaces. The One S12 Dual's Direct Drive LED Multitasker Power Brush and LED Soft Roller Power Brush allows me to clean my wood floors and carpets. The LED lights on the brush illuminate my cleaning path. I can easily convert the One S12 Dual into a handheld vacuum to clean my bookshelf, my laptop, and more. My bedroom is carpeted, and I am so excited to use Tineco's brand new Carpet One. It's the world's first smart carpet cleaner.
Auto mode.
Carpet One enables me to vacuum like a pro. I can hook up a hose and stain remover tool to clean upholstery, stairs, and other hard-to-reach areas. Its heated wash technology ensures that the water temperature remains consistently high throughout the cleaning cycle. Carpet One also makes it easy to tell when my carpets are dry. Its Power Dry technology extracts water residue at just the press of a button, and it dries my rugs and carpet in less than 30 minutes. The dryness meter has a humidity sensor that detects dampness and displays the results right on the LED screen. Carpet One also features iLoop smart sensor technology, which guides you through the cleaning process and tells you when the carpet is completely clean and dry. I am so excited to downsize with these slender Tineco vacuums. But before I put them away, I need to clean and charge them so they're ready for next time. And all I have to do is tap a button to begin the vacuum self-cleaning cycle. It automatically removes dirt, hair, and debris from the brush roller and tube. The pet hair strainer removes fur quickly and easily. While it's cleaning, I can pop it on the 3-in-1 docking station to charge. The One S12 Extreme gets 35 minutes of cordless runtime because of iLoop's smart battery optimization. The One S12 Dual gets up to 40 minutes using a removable replaceable battery. Before you begin vacuuming, be sure to download Tineco's app to track cleaning reports, maintenance reminders, and battery status. You can also find product support and adjust settings on the app. Go to us.tineco.com to shop Tineco's wide range of products. And for more information, go to designingspaces.tv.